The 40-day forgiveness meditation is between two people, you and someone who's hurt you, or you and someone you've hurt. It is a profound and powerful meditation that cured a man of a terminal illness. It can help you. It can help you to release the anger and bitterness you feel if someone has hurt you. It can help you to release the remorse and guilt you feel if you've hurt someone else. Hello, it's Carol Chapman, author of Have Your Heart's Desire. In a moment, discover how to manifest the miracle of the 40-day forgiveness meditation. Even among the best of friends, there's an occasional squabble. Among loved ones, someone sometimes gets stepped on. Someone's territory may get invaded. Someone may be abandoned. It may or may not be intentional. Nonetheless, being abandoned hurts just the same. It's these hurts, even when they're long over, that can fester within us like an open wound. We may be shattered by something someone did to us. We may also be shattered by something we did to someone else. This wonderful 40-day forgiveness meditation helps in both situations. It was created by J. Everett Arian, who worked at the psychic Edgar Cayce's ARE headquarters in Virginia Beach, Virginia. He also created the 40-day manifestation meditation. Years ago, I used to visit Everett for individual mentoring sessions. Many people came to Everett for personal development, dream interpretation, and spiritual awakening. One day, this man, who is from out of town, came to see Everett. And he told Everett that he needed help because he had a terminal illness and he'd been given only 6 months to live. The problem was that he knew that when he died, he was going to go to hell. So Everett said, "Why?" And the man said, "Because I treated my wife so badly." So Everett said, "Why don't you just go to her and ask her for her forgiveness?" Man said, "Can't do it. She's passed on." What to do? So Everett said, I get a lot of guidance in my dreams. I want to help you. I'm going to see if I can get something in my dreams tonight. Come back tomorrow. Everett was like that. So the man came back the next day, and that night in his dreams, Everett got the 40-day forgiveness meditation. And he gave it to the man. Now, a year later, the man came back. Now remember, this man had only 6 months to live, and he was still alive 12 months later. And the man said to Everett, "You cured me." Everett said, it wasn't me. You cured yourself by healing the conflict within you. The 40-day forgiveness meditation is in 2 parts. One for the person who hurt you or who you hurt, and one for yourself. Both parts are exactly the same and contain 3 sentences. So let's start with part number 1, which is for the person that hurt you or that you hurt. Person's name. This prayer or meditation or affirmation, use whatever word works for you, is to you. Thank you, person's name, for all you have done to me. Forgive me, person's name, for all I have done to you. Part 2 is for you. Your name. This prayer or meditation or affirmation is to you. Thank you, your name, for all you have done to me. Forgive me, your name, for all I have done to you. So this is how it looks all put together. I'm going to use an example that helped a woman who was badly injured in an escalator accident. Person who shoved me on the escalator. This prayer is to you. Thank you, the person who shoved me on the escalator, for all you have done to me. Forgive me, the person who shoved me on the escalator, for all I have done to you. I don't remember the woman's middle name. However, Everett suggests for this meditation to work best that you use the middle or unused name. So therefore, for part 2, I'm going to use my own middle name. Anne, this prayer is to you. Thank you, Anne, for all you have done to me. Forgive me, Anne, for all I have done to you. I encourage you to try these 40-day meditations. Whether you call them meditations, affirmations, or prayers, please say them with mindfulness. That's why I call them meditations, mindful meditation. Like the 40-day manifestation meditation, you say the 40-day forgiveness meditation for 40 days. And if you miss a day, you've got to start over again. If you haven't registered to receive my videos yet, please fill in the form down below with your name and email address. I will answer the question. 1, why the middle name? 2, why 40 days? 3, can I do 2 of the meditations at the same time? This is Carol Chapman, author of Have Your Heart's Desire.